Hello students, I hope you are fine and doing your studies at your home. So this is your subject teacher of science from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So take out your science book. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the remaining topics of chapter number 13, that is machine around us. So my dear students, in our previous video, we had covered the topic what is a machine and the two types of machines, that are simple machine and complex machine. So as you know that a simple machine is a device that make our work simple and easier. So students, you had already learnt about the importance of machine. So nowadays machine is very important part of our life because it helps us to perform the task more quickly, and it also allows us to complete task more efficiently, saving our time and energy. So in this video or today's class, we are going to discuss about the types of simple machines. So all of you look at the board. There are 6 types of simple machines. How many types of simple machine? 6 types of simple machine. First one is lever, second pulley, third wedge, fourth wheel and axle, fifth inclined, and the sixth is screw. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the first type of simple machine, that is lever. Okay. So what is lever? Let me tell you, a lever is a straight rod that rests at the fixed point. So students, here look at this diagram. The fixed point on a lever is called fulcrum. Okay, and as you know that a lever is a straight rod rest at fixed point known as fulcrum. And next one is effort. Now question arises, what is effort? Effort means force applied on a lever. So students, levers are categorized into 3 classes of lever. First class lever, second class lever, and the third class lever. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the first class of lever. Here fulcrum is always between the effort and the load. Effort, that means force applied on a lever. Here you can see that force is applied on a lever. So in first class of lever, fulcrum is always between the effort and load. For example, scissor, bottle openers. Now students, next is second class of lever. Here you can see that load is between the effort and fulcrum, while in first class of lever, fulcrum is between the effort and load, but in second class of lever, you can see that load is between the effort and the fulcrum. Is that clear? For example, wheelbarrow and nutcrackers, these are the example of second class of lever. Now third class of lever. Students, here you will see effort is between load and fulcrum. Okay. So this was the third class of lever. For example, forceps, tongs and fishing rods. These are the example of third class of lever. So this was whole about the first class of lever, second class of lever and the third class of lever. I hope you understood it very well with the help of example. Okay. Now students, our next type of simple machine is pulley. Okay. The next type of simple machine is pulley. Now let's discuss about pulley. A pulley is a simple machine made up of a grooved wheel with a rope around it. Students, the heavy objects are attached at one end of the rope and it is used to lift or lower heavy objects like drawing water from the well and hoisting flags. So, this was the example of pulley. So, this was the second type of simple machine. Now students, next one is wedge. What are wedge? Wedge is a simple machine made up of two inclined planes. Okay. For this, firstly you have to know about the inclined planes. So what are inclined planes? Have you ever seen a wooden plank being used to load or unload goods from a truck? It is an example of an inclined plane. Okay. So what is inclined plane? So students, an inclined plane is a surface whose one end is remain or raised to an angle and other at the ground. So in wedge, we are talking about wedge. So wedge is a simple machine made up of two inclined planes joined back to back, forming a sharp edge, and it is used to cut or split objects. So this was about the lever, pulley and wedge. I hope you understood it very well. That's it for today. In our next video, we will discuss about the remaining types of simple machine. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students.